Hello, this is a quick video to show where a Sprint Booster would be connected to a 2017, 18, or 19 Honda Ridgeline. Here is the driver's compartment. As I move forward, you will see I have a light set up on my panels. I'm going to slowly come down, align myself with the hood release, move my way over, across my foot pedals, reposition my light, come up here, and show you there's a small white dash mark right on top of the throttle pedal, and move back out, oops, and show you that in a larger scale. This is the location of the Sprint Booster. Let me back out. Oops, cover my lens a little bit, be a goof. Thank you guys, have a good evening. Call Jason from Burtman Industries